Yo, what's up, YouTube? In this video, we're going to talk about how to get mentorship without risk. Right? The reason why it's without risk is because, some people, like, if you have a lot of money, don't do this. Some people have their last hundreds, their last thousands. Do this, because you don't want to actually spend a bit on this mistake most people get, that purchasing the course is going to get you success. No, there's two things it's important things. There's a difference between people who go through 100% of it and then they're like, damn, I want to really get from 100K to 300K a month. That's the problem you want to have when it comes to like mentorship programs, courses. You want to be that person that's their problem is getting from 100K to 300K a month, not, oh, I didn't complete 100% of it. No, you want that problem to get from 100K to 300K. You want to do your due diligence. You want to search them up on Reddit and see is how other people biasly talk about them. Do they view them as a mentor, or do they just view them as another course seller? All right, let's get right into this. I'm gonna hook y'all up. This is the starter kit. You're wondering how um it's going around, like some people changing their life and they just doing it and they came from nothing. It's this. And especially for the I already explained the first category. You go ahead and buy them. But the second one, from nothing, do this. It's the starter kit for real, for real. You want to get a laptop, a good one, because you're going to be doing everything off a laptop. You want to get these hard drives, 4 terabytes, like 2 of them, because you're going to put them there. You want to get some headphones. They're high quality, they comfortable. It's the ones I got on right now. And you want to get a Blue Yeti microphone. I don't got one yet, but I'm gonna get one soon. It's very high quality. Like, you can hear the bass, the beat behind every vocal sound and every word. Like, it's crazy. You want to get the VLC media player. There's this one too. Pop player. You want to get this right here. This is the site. B-Bread link. You want to get this. Because imagine paying thousands. Like, are you kidding me? You want to be the person with the problem. I want to get from 100K to 300K. And another thing, once those programs help you, go back and then purchase it from them. Then you could go in the calls with them, the group talking. But before that, it's like you're doing it in a ghost way, meaning they don't know, but they know, they sort of feel, and you could probably outpace and like overdo all of them, like be number one over all of the ones in the group, even though you're doing it in a ghost way. It's still valid, but it's better if you did it in a ghost way to then come and get in, purchase it, so you get in a live call with them and thank them and stuff. Don't say too much that you did it. Alright, this is another one right here. And this is the sites right here, like all the top people, they're here. You want to search them here. These are the sites right here. They take them down sometimes, but you just search it up. Oh, here you're gonna extract it from here into your your hard drives, that you can get multiple terabytes, and you can put it on your phone and drag it from your laptop and into that terabyte, multiple accounts, and every account is a terabyte. So imagine you have multiple accounts for a terabyte. The real source, all of them, is not even like less than 4 terabytes, way less. Like, I have like 2 terabytes, and I think I have almost all the real source right now. I'm gonna say too much for like educational purposes only. All right, I don't want to say their names, but if you see it, these are the real mentors right here. I You want to take copious notes. You want to do your due diligence and research. that people consider them a mentor instead of just another course seller. You want to actually implement it. Apply knowledge. Apply knowledge is power, not just that. And you want to get you want to make it like so your Hall of Fame. So say there was a leaderboard, you're number one. You're in the section with all the top ranks, and you want to second nature it. So if you get uh, like a team to be doing it, it's already second nature and stuff. You want to make it so it's unconsciously competent. You might want to go through it multiple times when it's worth it. So you burn it inside your brain like a disc. When they copy it, like the CDs, like burning it, stuff like that. Alright, so that was that video. Hope y'all found it useful. Like we learned about mad fire things. This is how you get what I just said, the whole point of the video, without the risk. Because like 90% of people are misleading and it's bullshit. So why would you want to go through that risk? Everything is people trying to sell you bullshit. Like this is the most important video on the entire uh, platform for people who especially have nothing in their last thousand and stuff. Like people done this. I know people done this. I've seen this. Even some of the people attached and working with other big names, they started this way. Don't feel no shame. Just make sure like you thank them after, and you probably email them like, yeah, your stuff helped me that I purchased after. Don't say what you did before. Just do what you gotta do. Everything educational purpose. I make it myself. I promise after this. After this right here, no more. I'm not one more educational purpose video. Like not even one more because this right here already leads you into legal ventures. That's the last thing you want. So everything you do after this that way is all legal. So this is the best thing ever. Like leave a like, comment, subscribe. Peace.